Hello there. What you're looking at here is the back side, the open back side of an Insignia TV. This is model number NS LCD37-09. And at this point it's kind of an older model TV. It's been sitting in my friend's basement for the last couple of years, basically dead, meaning that when you plug it in and try to turn it on, there's nothing happening. No popping, nothing lights up. It's just completely void of power. So what I did after taking off the back was I pretty much knew that it had to be something in this one particular board where all the power components are. This is the AC side, and this is where everything gets converted to DC power. Anyway, after I plugged in the power and realized that the cord was okay, I started just doing some random checks in terms of looking for voltage, and I couldn't find anything, which means that at its earliest point, which is right here where this fuse is, the power was dead. So instinctively, I went and changed this fuse, which is a 99-cent piece. I took out the old one, soldered in the new one, plugged it in, and poof, right away that one blew. And that told me, basically, that there was something else wrong. Very good deduction on my part. Now, I'm no electrician by any means, but what I did basically was then look for other pieces maybe that were blown. And I actually found out that there were a number of them. I took a continuity tester to a number of these little diodes and transistors and whatnot, and found that there are at least 4 or 5 of them that were not connecting. Which means that they were damaged in some way. Not exactly sure why that happened or what caused it, but it made me realize that it wasn't going to be worth my time and effort really to try and take out each one of these things and piecemeal solder back new pieces. So what I did was I went on eBay and did a search for this model TV and also for this board. You can find the board number. It's a sticker that's on the back of this. And basically went on eBay, found a match. There are several of them that were available for sale. Now, again, this is an older model TV, so any of the boards that you're going to get are used. But hey, listen, you know, I got a replacement. This is the guy right here that we're going to put in. This cost $25 on eBay, so it's worth a shot, right? I mean, for a TV. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy out, put this replacement board in, and see if it works. What do we got to lose? All right. Okay, so I've swapped out the board. This is the guy here. Very simple, 5 screws, and just reattached the connector ribbons here, the cables there, and plugged in the power cord. Already a good sign, because the last time after I tried fixing it with just changing the fuse, when I plugged in the power cord, the fuse blew. So that's a good sign. So we'll actually see if it works now. Oh, this is a good sign. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it here, but there's a red light at the front of the TV, which is indicating that there's some power going through the system. And we'll turn it on. Light's turning blue. And there's a please wait indicator. Always get a look at. We've got a picture. This is it's working. Fantastic. This is hooked up to antenna here, so it's maybe a little bit intermittent, but it's working. Fantastic. So clearly that was the problem. It was some blown circuits in the power board, and a number of the circuits had blown. Don't know why, frankly, but because of that, just went on eBay, ordered a replacement board for $25. And plugged it right in, and it's working. So this might not be the most technical video, but at least it shows you an option, I guess, for how to fix a 37-inch Insignia LCD TV. All right.